Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off GIF comments on Instagram. So if you're tired of random GIFs in your comment section, this video is for you. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, because this feature might not appear on older versions. Once you're done with that, simply go back and open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner. Here, scroll down and look for comments, then simply tap on it. Inside the comment settings, you'll see an option called GIF Comments. You can just toggle this option off. That's it! Now, whenever someone tries to comment using a GIF, it will be automatically removed from your comment section. This is really useful if you want to keep your comments clean and professional. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. See ya.